It's Derek again, and welcome back to the channel. So it's another video on how you'll be able to just make money online, right? So if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and then share it to anyone, because I think and I know this video is going to be helpful to anyone. Trust me. I'm so overwhelmed, I'm so surprised with whatever I saw, and I just decided to just share with you guys. So there's this application, right, which gets you paid or pays you for just watching videos. You can also get paid for creating videos, and it's an application that is sitting in the App Store. A lot of people are not talking about it. I don't even know why, because this app is an app which is gonna help everyone, both young and old. You know, a lot of people do play on TikTok, do videos, dance, upload videos, watch videos. Sometimes I go on TikTok and I watch a lot of videos. I keep scrolling until I decided to just find this application, which a friend told me of, and trust me, he's been making some money off it. And I don't know, I was like, yo, I need to share with my team, I need to share with people who come to my channel, because a lot of people want to make money online, and I decided to just come at you guys, share with you. Trust me, this app is very cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen record my phone and then show you what you're going to do with this application and how you're going to sign up. And basically the sign up is very easy. So I've already signed up and all, but you just go to the store. I'm going to leave the link in my description for both Android and iOS. You just hit on the link and then you are good to go. So that is all you need to know. And again, the app also helps you make you refer people to the application, and when they use your referral links, you're just gonna get paid. Are you getting it? So it's a win-win thing. You get paid whilst you watch videos, you get paid whilst you refer people, and it's not as if maybe you're gonna be told to just reach a threshold of about $100 before you're being paid. No, that is not it. I think the least you're going to be paid for is about $15 or $10, and that is cool. That is easy to get. So I already have about $1.69 in my account, because I just started using the app about 2 days ago, and I'm not really using this because I'm always researching, trying to get a video for you guys, and also, you know, I'm not really going to focus on that. But if it's something you really think you can just be watching, or you can just, because the videos right there are funny. I've even saved a lot of them. I think I wanted to repost on TikTok and all to just get some eyebrows, and then I'll be able to share my ideas or my videos right there too when I get a lot of people following me. So I think it's something you guys need to know, you guys need to check out, play with it, just to watch videos and then get paid. It's quite fun. So I'm gonna screen record my video. Stick around, like this video, share it to anyone you think is gonna be helpful to them, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot I want to share with you guys. Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna go to the store, and the name of this application is CLIPCLAPS right here. So you see, CLIPCLAPS, reward for laughs. You get it. So Grand Channel Entertainment Limited. So I've already installed this application. All you're gonna do is I'm just gonna click on open, and you do the same after you are done. You just get paid when you watch videos, and trust me, this is very cool. This is something a lot of people don't know, a lot of people haven't noticed. So you see right here, you are entitled to just do some tasks, and you're gonna be able to just get rewarded. So when I click on the money right here at the top, so you see the least you're gonna need to just get paid out is $15, and that is right here. And if you don't have a PayPal account, or you think maybe it's gonna be hard for you to just get a PayPal account, I'm gonna leave a link in my description on how you'll be able to just create a PayPal account. And if you're in Ghana, Nigeria, or wherever in Africa, sometimes people from these countries are being blocked from creating a PayPal account. So I have a strategy I think is going to be helpful for you to just get a PayPal account, so you don't have to worry about it. And with this strategy, I think the video I'm going to drop in my description is going to help you out create a PayPal account, so that you'll be able to also get paid with this application. So you just have to just download this application, play with it. This is where the videos are, and you're just going to watch these videos and you get paid, and that is very cool. So when you click on me like this, you can see everything of yours. You see my name right here, and my notifications. I've gotten some notifications which they told me someone won $10 from a raffle and all, and that is cool. It could be you, and I want to show you where you're going to be able to refer someone and then just make money off them. So when you click on this free right here, you see the free right here, you click on this free right here, you're going to be able to invite friends. And when you scroll down like this, you can invite friends, and when you invite friends, you are being given some of these diamond chests. So when you are given these diamond chests, you can just unlock them, and you are being guaranteed to win all these things: iPad Pro, Jordans, and then even cash. So any of them you win, they're just going to send them to you. Trust me, it's very cool. And I don't know, this app is really working, and I don't know why people are not really talking about it. So this is basically what I want to share with you about this application. Just play around with it. You just watch this video throughout to the end, and you can see this video is playing, right? Let me just mute it right like this, and you watch down here. You see the yellow this side, you see this yellow thing is supposed to load throughout to the end, and then after it's done loading, they're just gonna drop the reward right here, and that means I've been able to watch it. And I'm just gonna click here and then retrieve whatever I've retrieved, and if I hit on it like this is how it's gonna be. I tap on it and I just get my rewards, right? So that is all you just need to do, and basically it's very easy. So I think this app is very cool. The more you watch, the more you get paid. So you see right there, and yeah, so the reward is just going to be dropped right here. Again, it's going to drop. Okay, so you see it right there. So that is what you have to know about this application, and it's cool. Trust me, it's cool. When I get paid after doing a lot of tasks, when I get paid after doing some tasks, I'm just gonna drop a video on how I got paid and all, and you guys would know. I'm just gonna try hard to reach this 15 and then 20 or something, and then you guys would see. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description. Don't forget to sign up with my link, because if you do so, it's gonna be cool, and I'm gonna get some money. You guys are also gonna get some money, and yeah, that is very cool. So like this video, share to anyone you think is going to be helpful to them. Okay, so I think this is all I want to share with you about this application, and trust me, I'm not going to share with you anything that doesn't work, anything that is going to delay your time, or anything that is not really going to help you. I'm just not going to share anything like that. But you know, these things are very cool, but it's not really going to make you enough money like you want to get and then make a living off it. You cannot make a living off this. I want to throw a challenge to you guys. Trust me, creating a YouTube channel for yourself is really gonna help you. It's really gonna help you. I'm not really making much off here. I'm not even making about $100 or $200 from my YouTube channel, but I know it's gonna pay off. That is why I want to just throw the challenge to you guys. Just try hard to just create a YouTube channel. Think about anything. Think about whatever you think you can do best, whatever you think you can just talk about best on your YouTube channel. And yeah, it's gonna be helpful for you. You can make autopilot money, make money every day, make money whilst you sleep, make money whilst you bath, make money whilst you are snoring. That is funny though, but yeah, you make money whilst you do anything. And yeah, that is very cool. I have a lot of YouTube tips on my channel, and it's gonna be helpful to you. So you can just go through my YouTube playlist and then tap on it. And if you find anything difficult or you find any difficulties, just hit me up and I'm just gonna be at your services. Trust me, this is gonna be helpful to you. I just want to throw this challenge to you. I just want to see one person watching this video coming up to me and say, Derek, I'm just gonna watch this YouTube tips videos and I'm gonna start a YouTube channel now, so I need your help. I want to see someone comment right below telling me they are going to start a YouTube channel after watching this video, and trust me, it's going to be very helpful. If I don't tell you about this thing and I'm being a bad person, trying to get a YouTube channel, getting a YouTube channel, I mean, is really helpful, and it's gonna make you make you a millionaire, but it's gonna make you a bit financially free, and it's like you own your own company. And yeah, so I'm throwing this challenge to you. Create a YouTube channel and then make a lot of money. If it goes well for you, it's very hard, but with determination, you're gonna make it, you're gonna get there. And yeah, so if this video was very helpful to you and it was very nice, it has really solved a bit of your problems for you, give it a thumbs up and then share to anyone you think is gonna be helpful to them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you're a returning subscriber too, yeah, I love you guys, and catch you in the next one.